कश्मीर 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 तकदीर लगे ताबीर लगे
आग और शोलों से बनी तस्वीर लगे जुल्म जबर की जंजीरों में असीर लगे खून जिगर
who's here despite his bad health, and I'm thankful to him.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today is a day of mourning. We've seen the videos coming out of our beloved Azad Kashmir, and it's a very hard watch to see what's happening. We can't get hold of our loved ones. The first thing we need to do is pray sincerely to our brothers and sisters in Kashmir, because what they're dealing with is evil. But this started off as a movement which was not against any government, which was not against any army. People try to drive their own narrative to try and divide the public committee, the action committee. People are just trying to run their own narrative. They themselves have said it time and time again that this movement is not against Pakistan. This movement was never against the armed forces. This movement was against the mistreatment by our elected representatives in the AJK assembly. The movement was to highlight that these people have not done anything for us for over 50 years now. And then when the public go out and try and do peaceful marches, they get shot at. I'm telling you guys, the people who are marching, most of them, well, the majority of them are not members of the Awami Committee, but they are just marching for their human rights, for the basic necessities that we deserve as Kashmiris. We've had enough this agenda against us that we are second class citizens and we don't deserve basic human rights. Every human being deserves to live in peace. Before I go, I would ask everyone to pray for our brothers and sisters, to give them more strength, inshallah.